Hi everybody, my name is Kweku Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Go with me to Photoshop, Ctrl N. Make sure everything over here is perfect so that it doesn't affect your final output. Birthday flyer, 1000 pixels, height 1000 pixels, and the resolution is 72, and then click OK, and then we are almost done. What we are going to do is you're going to bring our image. Again, I'm going to leave every resource in the description for you to use. Okay, this looks good. A new layer. Let's pick our brush. Make sure we pick this one. Click on Alt and pick any color in the background, right? So now you can paint with it. Alright. Come here and reduce it to about 65 to 70% opacity. It's good. Let's put in the folder. Let's call it image. Our text too. Let's call it happy birthday. Alright. Let's change it to color white so that we can see it. Make sure we select impact. Alright, click here. And then let's increase the font. Also, we want to push this to the middle. Alright, that looks good to me. Ctrl J, move it down. Now, if you cannot move it, it's because you haven't clicked the move tool. Then move it down. Let's call him Engineer Jojo Rockson. Engineer Jojo Rockson. Let's decrease the size. Put it in the middle. Bring it down a little bit. Let's change the color. Let's change the color to F4D441. Nice. And then the last thing we are going to type is God bless you for your hard work. Make sure this is off. Let's go here and look for Barnett. Wow, you Barnett. I don't like Barnett. I don't like Barnett. Signature. Okay, let's pick signature. Let's pick signature. Alright, God bless you for your hard work. Then the last thing we are going to do is you're going to pick this. You're going to reduce it drastically. Double click here, go for color overlay, reduce it, go to white, then hit OK. Double click, Ctrl J to duplicate it, and then Ctrl T, go here, and then pull it down. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is how you create this type of flyer. It's quite simple. It takes you just a short while, and then everything is just done. You don't need to cut the background. You just have to use your own background and then just play along with it. So thank you all. Love you all. Please subscribe to this channel so that anytime I release new videos, you'll be updated. Also hit the bell icon. I love you all, guys. Peace out.